So guys, Cardian Cardi part two of this. No, not part two, guys. I don't even remember what part I reached. So I'm not gonna say anything, guys. You'll see it in the when I put on my status. So guys, this one was the one, guys, that I said was the rectifier. I think it's a recovery diode. One of these I mismatched, I think. So I got the product. So give me a minute, guys. I'm gonna put it in and see if everything works out right. Still have branch falling from a tree. One fell just now and frightened guy, like I was so frightened outside. Alright, so let's go down, test it here, guys. Alright. Alright, so let me show you guys what I'm doing. So the one that should go there, guys, which I think, and I know I'm right, it reads like this. So the black lead and the cathode and this one and the anode right here, and it should be like that. We switch this black one here, move the black one, put on the other end of this, should be like that. So this one is the one with the cathode, both end of the cathode, one point that way, one point that way. So that was the one. And this one, the two cathode tied together, and the anode are on the outside with this one. But this one, two anode are tied together, and the two cathode are on the outside. So yeah. So let me install it, guys. Oh man, I didn't even plug in the solder iron. I'll give you guys a, you know, see, you guys see what's going on. Yeah, so while that is heating up, let me go ahead and put this in the circuit here. Let's say I give it a little curve, guys. Oh yeah, it doesn't want no more than that. So these are the 3040, guys, that I'm using here. Let me see if it's the same thing for this one. This guy 3040. The one that come from there was 1640. So 16, that means it means 16 amp, and the 40 means 400 volts. But this one now I put it as 30, so that means it's 30 amp at 400 volts. So it's a high amperage, guys. So yeah, it should work with no problem at all. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to replace this other one because this is come from a different batch. I replace it with the same batch, you know. So I'm going to get another one. Okay. Hope I don't grab the wrong one. But let's see then. Let's see. Alright. And so that one is soldered. I go in the back here and tack it a little. Not too much. Don't go too crazy back here, guys, you know. It's good. So yeah, I'm gonna remove this, guys. Definitely gonna remove this one. Then I get another one from this batch that I bought to put. I don't have no little issue with this thing. Not that I don't trust this one, guys, because this is still original product from another company. But I like to use the same batch of something. If I didn't have any other one, I would definitely use that, guys. Definitely. But since I have now, I can do whatever I want. So yep. Right, guys. So yep, that comes out nice and clean. Let me get that one. Guys, so this one, yep, the cathode is pointing inwards. Both the cathode and some are tied together, guys. You can see up close and personal. Yep. So both cathode tied up together here. This side here. Okay, that should be it right there. Right. Right. So let me run some another output test on this thing, guys. Another test on the output just to make sure. Yeah, I can flip it this way just to, yeah. Go there. Let's see what's going on here now. Okay, so it looks like we're on the right track. So this is supposed to be that way on the outside, not this way though. Okay, good. Alright, let's see if I get this thing right now, guys. Let's see if I get it right. So let me clear out. Go back here, clean up the flux. Make sure nothing is not, no bridge solder is back here or anything like that, you know. Just making sure, guys. So brush this up and let's pull it up, guys, and see what line I get on or what do I not get. Alright, let's just see. Alright, blue light, guys. As you can see, blue light comes on, guys. You guys can see that? Blue light. It's working, guys. Wow. Wow. That's it, guys. Thing is working. So, alright, guys, let me do a little. Yeah, I'm gonna just do a little simple audio test, guys. As usual, my finger. Don't copyright, guys. Sometimes I don't trust them, guys. Because sometimes I use one or the other day, and when I look at the video, it tells me that it's copyrighted. So because of that, my wife said, "Hey, don't find another way." So I don't know if somebody just finally licensed that music or own it, or I don't know what's going on, guys. So because of that, let me just do this, guys, and then after I give you my own little test of the camera. Just wanting you guys to see that it works and stuff like that. And strip these wire. It's too short, guys. Man, look at that. Mm. Duba, 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 duba. Guys, it's not safe to do test the amplifier this way, guys. Okay, it's not safe. We don't put it into the chassis, guys. Yeah, because these will eat up the output if you do it for a period of time. Yeah, or too long. Some people maybe do it. I'm not recommending nobody to do it, guys, because honestly, yeah, some people might just get too greedy and keep playing it and said yeah and keep touching it when something just burnt out like that. It happened to me already. So that's what I'm telling you guys. So yeah, for now, let me no, no, something here. All right, guys. So yep, I don't even know this key. Let's set. Let me set this key, guys. Hold on. If I can find that screwdriver, if I can find it, where did I put it when I last used that thing? Wow. Thank God I didn't have too much stuff. All right. The phone one is not nice or anything. It doesn't look nice. Good. No. That one definitely not. This is a piece of it. All right, let me get the chassis just to see what is what or what goes where. And yeah, let's just see which one was which. It goes like this. So this one says I. So I think we turn this one up. Yeah, that should be the I. Leave it there. This one says low right here. We should turn this around down maybe. And then this one says gain and level. Ha! Yeah, these are there down. Leave this one down. And this one right here, frequency. So we have turned that down. And the gain is right here. The third one is a gain. You see that, guys? This amplifier is set up different. Let me see if I'm showing it the right way. If it's, oh yeah, it's upside down, guys. Alright, it's like that. I guess you guys see the layout here. So this is the gain. Alright, so let me get the RCA input, guys. This one is it. RCA, I think this is I put it on that one and the top, yeah. So input there. It's only one input now. The top one is the input. The other one is output, guys. Nope, I'm doing it wrong. This one here is the input. Ready. So, alright, guys, let me see if I can get this. I don't want to do that. That's all we want to hear, guys. That's all we want to hear. But no, this guy just continue, guys. hear that it's working, guys. Let me remove the speaker wire now, guys, and then I'll do my own little test on this thing. Right. Oh, wow, this thing almost caused problem right there, guys. Man, this thing picking up all the other keys. If it did do that, guys, and they drop on this circuit, that would be a problem. Problem. Let me show you why it would be a problem, guys. Look at this light right here. Hold on. Let me show you that. If it's still charged, I'm charging it. Oh, wow, look at that. You see that, guys? Ha! It lit up just now, guys. I'm telling you. It was fully charged. Not as much as usual, but it was charged. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Forgot I didn't clean this part up, guys. Hold on a minute. Hold on, let me make sure this thing doesn't burn through this thing, guys. Let me make sure. Okay, seems like we're good. So I'm gonna put some compound on this, heat compound, guys. Just let this thing run cool. Don't matter how I clean this thing, it always have stuff on it for some reason. I just put some on these two, guys. Some people wouldn't do that. Yeah, put some on there. These diode here, guys. Definitely put some on there. Recovery diode here. Put some fresh one, guys, on these. Output MOSFET here. Oh, yeah. Put it on these output MOSFET on the power supply MOSFET, guys. Yeah? The power supply MOSFET, they don't run the hot, guys. Definitely. They don't get up to the temperature like the output MOSFET, guys. Just letting you guys know. Yep. Alright, so this way you can just do it like this. Oh, yeah. And I didn't screw him back. These little thing here. Touching on the chassis for now. Something is not. Which one of these things is not lining up here, guys? LED, they lined up. So, now for some screws here. And screw the circuit board. Those two kind of loose right there. I don't know why. This one feel like that, but they're definitely loose. Alright guys, so yep, looks good for now. Oh yeah. So guys, that's it guys for this Golden Eagle guys. Yeah, 2000 watt max. Yeah, our GE-2000.1D. Alright guys, so that's it for that. So please like, subscribe if you like what you see guys, and Cardi guys out for now. Alright, no respect.